San Diego's housing crisis is out of control. Sky-high rents, no affordable options, and a missing middle of family-friendly homes like duplexes and townhomes. Families can't buy, young professionals can't save, and apartments keep climbing way past inflation. Why? It's San Diego's permanently supply-constrained market, choked by red tape, lawsuits, and a state, county, and city that are not greenlighting developments like we did back in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Let's break it down and talk solutions. First, the core issue, supply. San Diego's coastal geography and zoning laws limit developable land, driving up prices. Since 2000, we've built less than half the homes needed to keep up with population growth. Median rents are now over $2,800 a month, up 8% year over year, double the inflation rate. Why so tight? CEQA, the California Environmental Quality Act, is a massive bottleneck. Its endless environmental reviews and litigation risks can delay infill projects for years, like apartments or new homes or ADUs, adding millions in cost. Developers pass that on, and buyers and renters pay the price. Streamlining CEQA, like Oregon did for some of their redevelopment efforts, could unlock supply fast without trashing the environment. Second, construction defect litigation is killing affordability. California's lawsuit-happy culture lets attorneys file predatory claims against builders, even for minor issues. This spikes insurance costs and scares developers away from middle housing projects that could fill the gap between apartments and mansions. In San Diego, where every unit counts, these lawsuits mean fewer townhomes and cottages, pushing families into overpriced rentals or out of town. The state must cap frivolous claims while protecting homeowners, balancing fairness with progress. Third, San Diego County and the city are not opening enough land for development. Back in the 80s and 90s, we greenlit Greenfield projects, new communities with single-family homes that met family demand. Today, coastal zoning and land scarcity block that. There's developable land east of the urban core, perfect with family-oriented neighborhoods, but county policies drag their feet. Expanding greenfield opportunities could ease pressure on rents and bring back that missing middle, which costs $250,000 less per door with what they've done the same thing in Portland for their townhome-style projects to address this market. The result? A market where apartment rents soar because supply can't keep up with demand. Without bold reform, streamlining CEQA, curbing litigation, and unlocking land, we're stuck. San Diego has the wealth and innovation to fix this. Let's reform CEQA to speed up infill, protect builders from lawsuit abuse, and greenlight family housing like we used to. It's time to build a San Diego where everyone can afford to call home. What's your take? How should we get this done?